In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add button in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to log into your HubSpot and then head over to the marketing tab and go to website pages or landing pages. For this case, let's get started and create a website page depending on our liking. We can start from a blank page or choose from some of these options available. So on my case, let's head over and starting here with this one and click on use. Now this will load your website editor so you can head over and edit it. Now in order to add the button, you can click on this plus icon that you can see onto this part. And then after that, you should be able to see and hear the button already. But if not, you can head over and then search right here for button itself. Here it is under the theme modules. Just drag and drop it wherever you want to put it. As you can see, the button has been created. You can just head over and change it or edit it by clicking on this pencil icon. You can proceed to edit it by editing the button text. So let's edit that. You can also choose right here where it will be linked. And you can also change its style right here. Choose right here the alignment that you want. And as you can see, this will be changed. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.